Power BI or Tableau? Stop confusing yourself. You only need to know one thing to decide. This is probably the most common questions I got from students who want to build a career in data analytics. Most people think the answer is about features. They start comparing dashboards, charts, pricing, and hundreds of technical details. But that's actually the wrong way to choose. If your goal is to work in corporate companies, financial departments, IT services, or enterprise organizations, Power BI is often the better choice. It's one of the most in-demand BI tools in today's job market and is used by organizations across industries to turn business data into meaningful insights. For beginners, it's also easier to learn because its workflow is intuitive and designed for business users, making it easier to start building dashboards and reports quickly. Now, Tableau is a different story. It's known for creating stunning, highly interactive visualization. Data-focused organizations, research teams, and companies where storytelling with data is a major priority. It offers incredible flexibility, but it may take a little more time to master compared to Power BI. Don't ask which tool is better. Ask yourself, which industry do I want to build my career in? Once you know your career goal, choosing between Power BI and Tableau becomes much easier. Still not sure which one is right for you? Comment below with your career goal and I will tell you which tool is better fit for your journey.